I thought that was Abhinav for a minute.
Hi, how are you? Very well.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So happy.
Yeah. हाँ जी, किसको सी मामी जो है ये मुंबई का फेस्टिवल है, एज वी ऑल नो, एंड इसमें हम सब जो मुंबई में, क्योंकि हमारा सबसे ज़्यादा फिल्म इंडस्ट्री मुंबई में है, बॉलीवुड मुंबई में है, तो यहाँ इस फेस्टिवल का होना बहुत लाजमी है, क्योंकि जो हमारे फिल्म मेकर्स हैं, हम भी हैं, वो ये सिनेमा देखते हैं और उससे हमारा सिनेमा प्रभावित होता है और उस सिनेमा से हमारा सिनेमा बेटर होता है। तो मैं समझता हूँ कि बड़े बड़े जो फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं, कैन में, बर्लिन में, वहाँ जा सकते हैं कोई लोग, पर जो हमारे ढेर सारे फिल्म मेकर हैं, जो अब इतनी अच्छी फिल्में बना रहे हैं, पर्टिकुलरली वो जो अंधेरी, वर्सोवा, ओशिवारा बेल्ट में, तो ये पूरा सिनेमा उनके घर के पास आता है। तो मैं समझता हूँ इस फेस्टिवल में बड़ा योगदान है कि ऐसा। अरे कैसे हैं आप, बोलिए। जी, दिखाई जाने वाली थी, एमएनएस के थ्रेट की वजह से कैंसिल कर दी, इसके बारे में क्या कहते हैं? देखिए, ये फेस्टिवल की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ये इस वक्त हमारे देश की समस्या है कि हमको क्या करना चाहिए। हम सब कंफ्यूज घूम रहे हैं, क्योंकि क्या हमको आर्टिस्ट और टेररिज्म को अलग नज़रिए से देखना चाहिए कि एक नज़रिए से देखना चाहिए। इसमें सिर्फ मामी फेस्टिवल तो उसमें एक छोटा सा बिंदु है, एक हल्का सा एक कतरा है उस दरिया में जिसमें इतना तूफान उठा है। My view is that everybody should go to the Mahami festival and see the films. That is my view today. Absolutely. I am not going to talk about it. हाँ जी, आज सिर्फ मामी की बात कीजिए। इतना बड़ा फेस्टिवल, इतने लोगों ने इतनी मेहनत करके फेस्टिवल किया। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट, लेट्स सेलिब्रेट मामी। You know, I have to tell you that you guys were here, but I had to go in and see it. I normally don't do that. I respect the press. I first talked to you, but I couldn't resist the temptation of going in. And it is absolutely astounding. Have you seen it? Please see it. Please see it. I think if I was doing this, I would let you go one by one. You have to see inside. It's absolutely incredible. It took me back to times when I came from Kashmir as a little kid and I wanted to see Opera House, you know. It's almost nostalgic. It's taken me back to my days of struggle and coming here to Charni Road in a local train and buying a ticket and seeing the Opera House. It's even better than what it was. It's wonderful. Wonderful. कश्मीर से आया था जी। क्या इस बार कुछ सरप्राइजेस हैं? जी, इस बार हम लास्ट टाइम कश्मीर से डेलीगेशन आया था, इस बार भूटान से डेलीगेशन आ रहा है, और भूटान भी मेरे लिए उतना ही प्यारा है जितना कश्मीर है। मैं कश्मीर को बहुत मिस करता हूँ, लेकिन मैं जब भूटान जाता हूँ तो मुझे कश्मीर भी भूल जाता है, क्योंकि भूटान मेरे लिए एक दूसरा कश्मीर है, मेरा दूसरा घर है भूटान, ऐसा मैं समझता हूँ। डीप डाउन आई एम अ बुद्धिस्ट, आई थिंक सो इस बार भूटानीज लड़कों को बुलाया है, उनको हमने स्पॉन्सर किया है, उनको हमने पर्सनली स्पॉन्सर करके यहाँ हम बुलाए हैं। उनका प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं जो मिस्टर शिंग टॉबगे, उनका मैं आभारी हूँ। आई होप ये भूटान में चले और वो सुने ये मेरी बात, दैट आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू द रॉयल हाइनेस ऑफ भूटान and to the Prime Minister, who is a personal friend, Shing Tobge, and I'm saying thank you for sending the Bhutanese delegation. Thank you. मैं आपसे बात करूंगा, मुझे कोई जल्दी नहीं है, वहाँ लाइन भी नहीं लगी हुई, क्यों टेंशन ले रहे हैं? मैं आ रहा हूँ, नहीं मैं आ रहा हूँ, तभी तो आए हम, बताइए।
नो डाउट कि मामी इस बार जो होगा सबसे अलग होगा, सब पहले ऐसा कुछ अनप्रेसिडेंटेड होगा इस बार।
जी।
लेकिन आज जो सबसे ज़्यादा मुद्दे की जो बात हो रही है वो एज लेकर ही हो रही है, और ऐसा लग रहा है कि बॉलीवुड डिवाइडेड है और दे नॉट स्टैंडिंग टुगेदर।
नहीं, ऐसा मैं नहीं समझता हूँ कि डिवाइडेड। ऐसे देखिए, सबसे पहले मैं आपको ये बता दूँ कि ये जो बॉलीवुड है ना, ये वर्ड ही गलत है, क्योंकि बॉलीवुड कुछ है नहीं। एक अलग अलग लोग हैं जो अलग अलग किस्म का सिनेमा बनाते हैं, तो उनकी सोच एक जैसी कैसे हो सकती है? हम 5 साल में एक फिल्म बनाते हैं, आप देख लीजिए हमारा रिकॉर्ड, पीके के पहले 3 इडियट 5 साल पहले थी, मुन्ना भाई। कई लोग हैं जो 1 साल में 5 फिल्में बनाते हैं, 10 भी बनाते हैं। तो उनकी सोच और हमारी सोच कैसे एक सोच होगी? अलग है ना सोच भाई। तो देखिए, फिल्म की बुलिंग को आप भूल जाइए, किसी किस्म की बुलिंग ठीक नहीं है। आप मुझे बताइए, मैं यहाँ भी आया हूँ और मुझे यहाँ कोई बुली करे या आपको कोई बुली करे, आप प्रेस वाले खड़े हैं और कोई आके आपको धक्कमशाही करे, बोले हट जाइए, तो आपको लगता है सही है? तो कोई भी बुलिंग ठीक नहीं है, चाहे वो सरकार की हो, चाहे वो प्रेस की हो, क्योंकि आप लोग भी बुली करते हैं, ये भी छाप दीजिएगा। तो किसी की बुलिंग सही नहीं है। तो बुलिंग जो है वो वर्ड ही गलत है, वो होना, और इन ए डेमोक्रेसी ये होना ही नहीं चाहिए।
हमेशा बॉलीवुड एक सॉफ्ट टारगेट होता है सर, तो क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, सॉफ्ट टारगेट होता है क्योंकि उनकी फिल्में बाहर जा रही हैं, उनकी इंडस्ट्री नहीं है जो प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। इसके लिए मुझे लगता है कि लोगों को ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि जो सॉफ्ट टारगेट्स हैं उनके साथ सॉफ्टली बात करें, प्यार से बात करें, धक्कमशाही की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, ऐसा मैं समझता हूँ। देखिए, मैं ना ट्विटर पे हूँ ना फेसबुक पे हूँ, और ट्विटर पे होता क्या है, ट्रेंडिंग नॉन ट्रेंडिंग, उससे मेरा कोई ताल्लुक़ नहीं है। आजकल क्या है कि 10,000 रुपये खर्च के आप ट्रेंड कर सकते हैं, कुछ पैसे खर्च के फ्रंट पेज पे आ सकते हैं, प्रेस के सामने कह रहा हूँ मैं आपको। तो इसका मुझे कोई शौक़ नहीं है, ना मैं वो पढ़ता हूँ, ना मुझे उसमें ज़रा दिलचस्पी है। Yes, let's talk about Japan. PK is releasing in Japan on Diwali. हाँ, तो ये थैंक यू फॉर आस्किंग मी। ये बात कीजिए आप कि कैसे हमारा सिनेमा भारतवर्ष से दूर जा रहा है। पीके ने चाइना में, जैसा आपको पता है, मैं पैसों की कभी बात नहीं करता हूँ, लेकिन बहुत लोगों ने फिल्म देखी पीके, और अब जापान में देखने जा रहे हैं, चाइना में। ये हमारा सिनेमा, इसको देखिए आप। आज आपने जो बात कही है, ये बात कोई कह नहीं रहा है, मैं भी नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि वेयर आवर सिनेमा इज रीच्ड। दिस इज द ग्रेटनेस ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा, ऑफ आवर सिनेमा। यस, I watched that trailer and I think it's incredible. I really like Aamir as a artist, and I think he's excelling himself. देखिए, आमिर पागल इंसान है और हम उसको इडियट कहते हैं, जैसा आपने 3 इडियट्स में देखा। तो ऐसा काम कोई इडियट ही कर सकता है, एंड वो इडियट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। इडियट अगर आप नहीं हैं तो आप ज़िंदगी में बस कुछ पैसा वैसा बटोर के अपनी शक्ल कहीं लगा के चले जाते हैं, इडियट्स रह जाते हैं, ऐसा मैं समझता हूँ। भाई साहब, आपका सवाल। नहीं आप कुछ तो बचा होगा यार। नहीं, इनका ज़रा मैं पूछ लूँ भाई, इनको मैंने रोक दिया, पूछिए। जी, देखिए, पाकिस्तान में मैंने इंटरव्यू दिया था टेलीविज़न में, तो वहाँ पर काफ़ी मेरे से पीके के बारे में बातचीत हो रही थी। तो उन्होंने कहा आपने पीके बनाई, आपको ये नहीं हुआ, तकलीफ नहीं हिंदुस्तान, क्योंकि ये दोनों जो प्रेस भी है और लोग भी हैं, प्रेस खासकर, मैं नहीं समझता लोग। तो फिर मैंने उनसे कहा, मैंने कहा कि पीके में हमने कहा है सरफराज धोखा नहीं देगा। हाँ कहा, मैंने कहा पर एक बात जरूर याद रखिएगा कि ये लाइन राजकुमार हिरानी, अभिजात जोशी और विधु विनोद चोपड़ा की लाइन है। इसकी लाइन के पीछे कोई खान नहीं है। जिस वक्त आप ये समझ जाएंगे, वहाँ के लोग भी, तो आप समझ जाएंगे कि ये जो बंटवारा हम कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे के साथ, लंबे लॉन्ग रन में ये बंटवारे में कुछ होने वाला नहीं है। जितना हम लोग आपस में बैठ के अपनी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर लें। और मैं कश्मीर से हूँ, मेरा घर लूटा गया था कश्मीर में। मेरी माँ यहाँ एक हैंडबैग लेके आई थी और वापस नहीं जा पाई। तो मेरे अंदर भी तो ये होगा कि मेरा घर लुट गया, लेकिन उस लुटे हुए घर की वजह से और घर लूटूं, उसका कुछ माने नहीं है, ऐसा मैं समझता हूँ। लेकिन ये मेरा ज़ाती व्यू है और मैं समझता हूँ कि लॉन्ग रन में जितना हम लोग मिलजुल के सद्भावना के साथ आगे बढ़ेंगे, उतना ही हमारा अच्छा काम होगा। भाई साहब पूछ लीजिए। It's not my festival. Yes, Mami festival. I am one of the, servants of the festival. Let's put it like that. But I wish you all well. I hope it does well. I hope people come and see the film. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes.
कहाँ पे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है। तान्या
Well, here we are at the Opera House. The grand. Everyone's waiting with a bated breath. Have you been inside yet? No, you just walked in.
Yeah.
All
But
right.
I've seen the papers and I know the grandeur, the Maharani of Gondal has been very generous enough to, especially because India is full of culture and beauty.
And how do you think? How do you think this is going to be the next fitting?
In fact, I've been with Anu from the time she took over, and when she could bring, apps and they just made it.
Rest of the evening. I'm not going to hold the suspense for you any longer. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Yes, if we get somebody.
Congratulations. I'm going to excuse you for a bite after you get home.
Time will come for sure.
Guys, you're going to have to push. I've got pictures of it.
बहुत ऐतिहासिक मोमेंट है। हमने यहाँ बहुत सारी पिक्चरें देखी हैं जब हम छोटे थे, और इतनी अमिताभ बच्चन की पिक्चरें, राजेश खन्ना की पिक्चरें सब हमने यहाँ देखी है। एंड सो नाइस टू सी दैट रॉयल ओपेरा हाउस वापस खुल रहा है और अमित जी उसका इनाग्रेशन कर रहे हैं। इट्स वेरी गुड, सुपर्ब। दिवाली बहुत अच्छी होगी और सब अच्छे से होगा। कोई बवाल क्रिएट नहीं हुआ है, सब होगा, अच्छे से रिलीज होगी पिक्चर और बहुत सब लोग देखने जाएंगे। थैंक यू।
मीन बहुत ज़्यादा, बहुत अच्छा किरण ने, अनुपमा जी ने, मतलब दे पुट इन अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट और मतलब हमेशा बढ़ ही रहा है इसका एंथुजियाज्म और जिस तरह पार्टिसिपेशन है, सो इट्स वेरी वेरी गुड।
सर अभी एक बहुत बड़ी कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही है दिल्ली में।
ओह मैं इसके बारे में नहीं बोलना चाहता।
Can you please vacate the place, please?
Thank you, Siddharth, for giving me this. You're amazing. You're beautiful. Thank you, Daniel.
हो गया?
बाद में कर यार।
I won't be seen. I'm so short. I'll have to walk like that.
हिंदी फिल्म में आपके कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन के लिए मामी फेस्टिवल में आपको
Sorry?
फेस्टिवल में आपको सम्मानित किया जा रहा है, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है। लगता है कि अंग्रेज़ी भाषा में या हिंदी भाषा में या मराठी में भी कोई ऐसा क्लीशे नहीं है जिसको मैं इस्तेमाल करूं तो जितनी मुझे खुशी हुई है उसका बयान किया जाए। धन्यवाद। This opera house was a landmark of our beautiful city, of Bombay city. And I can't tell you how wonderful it is to be here once again, to see that it's coming to life again. It's rising from the ashes like the phoenix. And just imagine, for me to be a part of this beautiful, wonderful resurrection is really something which is beyond conception. It's a dream come true. Thank you.
Please vacate the red carpet.
What do you want to do? You want to ask me some questions or what? Hi. Who's asking?
So I'm going to ask you, if you're not ask away, ask away.
सर क्या कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं आप मामी फिल्म फेस्टिवल से? इस बार बहुत अलग है, बहुत नई चीजें भी हैं।
भाई तो मैं भी वही एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ जो आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं. It's definitely going to be a great festival. These two girls have done a wonderful job. They've made a great selection of films as well. And I think having that opening here is really historic because Royal Opera House is one of the great theatres of the city. And opening the festival at this restored theatre is really a dream come true. Wonderful. Thank you.
एक आइकॉनिक थिएटर माना जाता है, इसके बारे में कुछ कहेंगे, कुछ यादें कुछ?
वो तो मैंने कह दिया ना.
Amitabh Bachchan today, that Royal Opera House, and
I think करीबन 35 साल पहले मैं यहाँ पे आया था. मैंने एक फिल्म देखा था 35 या 40 साल पहले, and to see it recreated like this is just amazing. A city is all about its heritage and never ever forgetting its past, and I think that this is extraordinary. It's an extraordinary moment to be here and a great moment for Indian cinema. Absolutely nothing. Anything else? Steal me.
Hello. How are you? Okay, we're supposed to stand. Okay, let's go. Come. Sorry? Yeah, I think it's wonderful. मैंने इसको कई सालों से यहाँ पर गुजरते हुए देखा है और ये बंद था और फाइनली अपने क्या बोलते हैं लॉस्ट ग्लोरी को फिर से काबू में करके आई थिंक इट्स बच्चन जी इनॉग्रेट कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट इट्स ऑलमोस्ट आइकॉनिक एंड मॉन्यूमेंटल फॉर द सिटी. दिस इज वंडरफुल. हाँ तुझे वही सवाल पूछना है, तेरे को तो ऐसे बैठा है वहाँ पर. Yes. Yes. So what do I do with it? No, that's his stand. So whatever he wants to do is fine. But I personally think that India comes first, and there's no compromise when it comes to your nation. Of course, you have to stand by the nation, but when it comes to a movie, you have to also see a person has done a 10-minute role. There are so many Indian actors that have already put their blood and sweat into it. So I think they should think about it. Thank you.
You started a new production now, new film production. Can you just tell us something about it?
It's too early, man. I think Janila will speak about it.
A film is called Faster Fene. It's a comic book that I think most of Ritesh has loved for a long time, and he's always dreamt of seeing it on Cellulite, and I'm glad that we could put it together.
Thank you.
पाकिस्तान में कई काफ़ी हिंदी फिल्में रिलीज नहीं होती हैं, अब हिंदी सीरियसली बंद कर दी, इस पे आप क्या देना चाहेंगे?
I don't care. उधर क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा है, मुझे अपने देश की पड़ी हुई है. Thank you.
When are we gonna see you again back on 70 and your times are missing you so much?
Soon, hopefully.
Any projects in pipeline you'd like to share with us?
No, nothing real. Sorry?
Any co-production?
Not yet.
Thank you.
Mr. Deshmukh?
Hello.
May I speak?
Okay.
Maybe Steve. Yes.
I had begun to watch films in other places. I remember going to Miller one.
Correct. The opening movie at Bombay this year is...
I think this word excited is used very loosely. I'm looking forward to it. It's Coco's film, and Coco and I have done 4 films together, and I'm sure she'll make a wonderful film. I've heard very good things about it. The trailer is exciting. The entire campaign looks quirky and interesting. So I'm going to see it tomorrow. I'm looking forward to seeing it, and I hope I like it.
And of course, most importantly,
Hey. Good. How are you?
I'll talk to you after.
Yeah. Sure.
You're heading a panel in a couple of days about women in movies. You are part of it.
नहीं, बहुत बड़ा दिन है आज, क्योंकि ओपेरा हाउस, रॉयल ओपेरा हाउस बहुत दिनों से इनएक्टिव था. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि जियो मामी फेस्टिवल के ज़रिए ये अब री इनॉग्रेट होने जा रहा है. यहाँ पे बचपन में बहुत सारी फिल्में देखी हैं, राइट फ्रॉम अमर अकबर एंथनी टू रोटी कपड़ा और मकान, which ran here for many, many months. So it's wonderful to be back here. Solidarity first, patriotism first. अभी वक्त है कि हम एकजुट होकर जो अभी देश के लिए ज़रूरी है उस पर पहले ध्यान दें. Actually, I don't know the list of movies that are being screened, but I look forward.
How are you? Good. Oh yeah. Very happy to be here. After 23 years. And I saw this thing that this should be a very good start, which it is. And glad to see you because I remember seeing movies
There are films from 156 countries, so I'm really looking forward to seeing them. I'm really looking forward to seeing a certain amount of films that are made, Indian films. There are 2 female directors I'm really looking forward to. Alankrita Srivastava, Lipstick Under My Burqa, and Konkona with Death in the Ganj. So,
Same. I think there's a lot of exciting talent that's coming out of India, and like she said, there's so many participating countries. It's fab. That's something like this. That Mumbai has something like this now.
And we really want to see the new Thomas Winterberg film, the Ken Loach film. There's a lot of stuff out there that we haven't seen. I mean, it's very, very unfortunate that a film gets targeted like that and a filmmaker gets targeted like that because he didn't do anything wrong. He hasn't broken the law. I mean, that is the law. The law is fine. Visas have been granted by the government. It's legal for people to work here. And he shot the film at a time when, you know, the situation was pleasant. And today the films are released and he's being bullied and it's not fair. Because the government has put out a statement saying that they will continue to give visas. So what's the problem then? Why should we go against the government? And the people that are going against what the government is saying should be taken to task.
Yeah, I do think that, like you said, this brouhaha, the only people it affects are Indians. So I find that, you know, why can't people see that? Because at the end of the day, like Karan himself pointed out, there were 300 Indians who worked on that film and gave their sweat and, you know, all that love that goes into making a film.
And they lose money, the industry loses money. I mean, who's gaining from this? And it's not even like it's across the board. Business is going on, cricket is going on. So why the film industry always? It's always the film industry. And I mean, the press needs to say that as well now.
Yeah, definitely. I think if, you know, this politics of hatred is not used to target the industry because we are like soft targets.
Not yet announced. Yeah, sure. I'll announce when it's ready to get out.
I'm expecting to see a lot of good movies. I'm expecting to meet interesting filmmakers. I'm expecting it to be better than last year. I'm expecting it to set a standard for maybe next year. All of these expectations. Who went, sorry? Ha. Yeah. I mean, if you're going to, fine, if you want to ban anything to do with Pakistan, then go the distance. Don't just ban filmmakers. Why are you doing a half-hearted job? Ban the business dealings we do, the import, the export. Because when you do half a job, no one's going to take you seriously. I don't take the government seriously because they're only banning us from collaborating with artists. They're not banning businessmen from doing business. So if you really mean what you say, then go the distance. Then I'll take you seriously. But right now, it's not looking like you mean it. It just looks like it gets you a lot of publicity and makes a lot of noise. But really, what's the point of it? I will support if you think banning anything to do with Pakistan is going to help our Jawans, fine. But I don't see the whole distance. I don't see one little bit being looked at and banned, another part of it being left open. So where is the... It sounds hypocritical to me. It's sad. What can I say? I mean, it's sad. It's sad that we are fighting and we're not friendly because it's going to cause further friction. टिट फॉर टैट, जो वो करे वो हम करें, जो हम करें वो कर रहे हैं. आई मीन उनमें और हमने कुछ फ़र्क हमने दिखाया नहीं है. जिसको अगर आप चाहें कि कुछ हम करें तो फिर बड़ा बन के आप बैन मत करो ना. आप दिखा दो मैच्योरिटी कि नहीं ये करके हम वही कर रहे हैं जो आप कर रहे हो, तो फिर आप में और हमारे में कुछ फ़र्क रहा ही नहीं. तो क्यों ना हम कुछ अलग करें जो वो ना कर रहे हो. यू नो, देयर इज़ नो क्लियर आंसर, और देयर इज़ अ क्लियर आंसर. It depends on the circumstances. Being removed, it sounds like it's like a negative connotation, right? But it depends. To be removed from anything is not good, whether it's a brand or a movie. You're being removed. All depends. Do you think his popularity is going to be affected? It all depends on the person and the situation. I can't be specific. आप पूछ लो. Release the phone number on Facebook. I don't know about the situation, पर कुछ भी पब्लिक करना सही नहीं है. मुझे इंसिडेंट के बारे में मालूम नहीं है, पर किसी का भी इन्फॉर्मेशन पब्लिक करना सही नहीं है, उतना मैं कह सकता हूँ. पर मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ मालूम नहीं है. Yeah? I don't know. My producer will announce it soon.
मुझे लगता है कि मुंबई के सबसे बेहतरीन लोकेशन पे है रॉयल अल्बर्ट हॉल है लंदन में. हमारे पास है रॉयल ओपेरा हाउस, और ये बहुत ही बेहतरीन रूप से बोथ किरण और अनु ने किया है, और अभिनंदन सभी को. मैं बल्कि अभिनंदन करना चाहती हूँ राजनाथ सिंह जी का. होम मिनिस्टर ने जो स्पष्ट प्रतिक्रिया दी है कि सिक्योरिटी मिलेंगे ना सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र में लेकिन हर एक प्रदेश में, ये बहुत ही प्रशंसाजनक मूव है.
Thank you. अभी तक तो अच्छा ही रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है एंड हमारी सारी टीम बहुत खुश है इस रिस्पॉन्स से. मेरी बेटियां आई हैं मेरे साथ. अरे फैटी कम दिस. तो ये मेरी दो बेटियां हैं फिल्म के अंदर और हमें बड़ी खुशी है कि लोगों को ट्रेलर पसंद आ रहा है. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी. जी हाँ, मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि ये जो एक बहुत ही हिस्टोरिक थिएटर है वो एक बार फिर शुरू हो रहा है और हम आज सब यहाँ मौजूद हैं उसकी इनॉग्रेशन के लिए, मामी के इनॉग्रेशन के लिए. तो सभी फिल्म मेकर्स को बधाई और जितने फिल्में हैं कंपटीशन में उन सबको ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. और जो मुंबई की जो जनता है वो इस फेस्टिवल को एंजॉय करे, सारी फिल्मों को एंजॉय करे. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. वो आप मामी के लोगों से पूछिए. No, not necessary. I think that people will see the films and they will realize for themselves. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
This Mami festival is just getting more and more impressive every year. Last year it was India Gate. This year it's the Opera House. I don't know how they're going to top this. Bachchan and Opera House is pretty high up there on the list. So I don't know what they're going to do next year.
Unfortunately, some films will not be shown over across the border. Is it unfortunate from your side also?
Absolutely. I think censorship of any kind and not being able to see films from all over the world is very, very, very sad.
As far as the India films and TV shows goes, the same will not be telecasted in across the border in Pakistan. So do you think this is...
I'm really not here to add more fuel to that fire. I just think that we live in a global world and an international world where everybody should have access to different parts of the world. No, I don't. All right, do you have any other questions on Mami? Thank you so much.
Welcome to the Red Carpet.
The Opera House, the Royal Opera House. You know, I've always wondered why we don't do more events here. It's such an iconic property. I'm so happy Mami is opening this year at the Royal Opera House. It's fantastic.
super excited.
दुर्भाग्यवश कई फिल्में नहीं दिखा पाएंगे यहाँ पर. Do you feel sad about this, that across the border films from across the border?
You know, it's sad, but I think there is a lot of pressure, and I think that unfortunately cinema and culture will always remain soft targets. Having said that, I do believe that there will always be a price to pay and an outcome of aggression, and this is the outcome of that aggression. I think India has tried over the years to maintain peace and accord peace, but yeah, I think it's just made it impossible to stay that way. देखिए, जब ट्रेड बंद हो जाएगा, when we stop all economic exchange, that's when we, the people of both nations, will know that there is a serious stand being taken. I think that stopping cultural exchange is just the tip of the iceberg. There is so much more that remains to be understood and decided upon. I don't believe, I'm not against the argument that India needs to isolate Pakistan, in making them understand that they cannot support any kind of terrorism, that it is not just hurting their own people, it's also hurting their neighboring nations, and they have to act upon it. It's a very important thing to build pressure on the nation, but I think a very strong message will be to sever all economic ties, to sever all trade, to say that stop showing films and stop having any kind of cultural exchange is, I feel, just like a surface solution. It's not the real solution.
Yeah, there's something I want to ask you. Celebs doing brand endorsements is a common thing to have done. Do you think the brand value or the popularity of the star is affected because they are removed from the, they are removed as the brand ambassador?
I think fortunately and unfortunately public memories seem to be quite short. I said fortunately and unfortunately public memory seems to be quite short. It works for and against. You know, I know Anurag really well, and I think that the intention there was not to put an individual under harm's way. I feel that he is one of those personalities that has always treated men and women equally. And I think the intention really was to address what he was trying to address, and I don't think he perceived it as a threat to the individual. Had he perceived it as one, he would not have done it. That I'm pretty sure of. Thank you. I still can't believe it's been 15 years of रहना है तेरे दिल में. मैं जब मैडी से मिली वो वीडियो शूट करने के लिए, तो हम दोनों हंस रहे थे. He was 32 at the time, I was 19. I was a little baby. Time has really flown, but the love for that film has been extraordinarily overwhelming, and we're just really grateful to everyone for the love that they've given us. And I think as actors, we're really lucky when we get to be a part of films like that we're remembered for. That's a special privilege. Thank you.
जी इस बार फिल्में देखने का बड़ा शौक है. That's what I'm expecting to see. If you ask me what's happening tonight, I have no idea. I'm actually really excited to see the refurbished Opera House. I'm a big architecture buff. I'm a big buff of interiors, of the how do I put the classic heritage of our city. So I'm so thrilled to see what they've done. I can't wait to get inside. जी हाँ, नहीं देखा, लेकिन अच्छी होगी. मतलब I didn't know it had come out. I'm sorry? I'm not following. What are you saying? Oh, you're trying to get me beaten up. Awesome. Thank you. That's what was missing in my life. I have many views. My concern is if I voice those views, I'm going to have people come and try to burn my house down. Really, that's like the 45th worst thing that could possibly happen. It's very far down my list of things that I would like to see happen. I don't want people to come to my house and burn it down. I don't want people to threaten me. I don't want people to come and beat me up. All of these are things I want to avoid. So my opinions I will keep to myself. Thank you guys. जी धर्म पत्नी मेरी मेरे घर पे नहीं, she has not come today. जी hopefully yeah you will. Thank you guys. Thanks so much. Even more.
Okay, we'll start with you.
Which mic will you use?
We're live there.
Hello. Wait, look at that. No.
Should I be broadcasting a live conversation?
You're interrupting a live interview.
How can you even hear anything? आप तो देख ही रहे रौनक, तो मामी फिल्म फेस्टिवल तो बिल्कुल मतलब सभी इंडिया के जितने फेस्टिवल थे सबसे ज़्यादा यहाँ पर रोशनी आ रही है, क्योंकि एक तो जो दो औरतें हैं जो इसके पीछे लगी हुई हैं, बहुत पावरफुल औरतें हैं, बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग औरतें हैं, अनुपमा चोपड़ा और किरण राव, उन्होंने जी जान से इसके लिए मेहनत की है और एक बहुत अच्छी ज्यूरी, बहुत अच्छा लाइनअप, हर तरह की फिल्में हैं और मेरे ख्याल से बॉम्बे मुंबई कहना चाहिए, नहीं तो मार पड़ेगी, लेकिन मुंबई के लोग तरस रहे हैं, भूखे हैं अच्छी फिल्म देखने के लिए, क्योंकि हमें ज़्यादातर सिर्फ कमर्शियल फिल्में देखने को मिलती हैं और यहाँ एक मौका है अलग अलग तरह की फिल्में दुनिया भर से देखने के लिए, तो आई थिंक इट्स अ रियल ट्रीट।
So I know that there's going to be a lot of stories in there that I don't know. It'll be kind of like discovering aspects of my family.
आज आप वो सब बातें छोड़ ही दीजिए। जी मैं मंटो पे फिल्म बना रही हूँ और मेरे ख्याल से मंटो बहुत ही रेलेवेंट है हमारे इस दौर के लिए। वो फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन के बहुत बड़े चैम्पियन थे। वो अपने आप को कोई एक्टिविस्ट या पॉलिटिकल आदमी नहीं समझते थे। उनका सिर्फ ये कहना था कि जो मैं देखता हूँ वो मैं लिखना चाहता हूँ, और बल्कि वो तो ये कहते थे कि अगर आपको मेरी कहानियाँ बर्दाश्त नहीं है तो वो इसलिए क्योंकि ये ज़माना ही नाकाबिले बर्दाश्त है। तो आई थिंक इज़ एक्सट्रीमली रेलेवेंट और देखते हैं अब अगले साल इस वक्त शायद मामी में हमारी फिल्म आप देख सकें। See, I am a firm believer of peace. Now it might almost sound that how can you know, peace also has to be traded with something, but I'm not. I'm a bit of a fanatic about peace. I think anything that brings peace is most important. I think we've got to have sane voices. You know, we've got to keep art as a sacred space, because art through all times has given a voice to different things. So let's not malign art, let's not make it too narrow, and you know, let's give it a platform. It's a balm. जैसे कहते हैं ना, कोई अगर जख्म होता है तो मरहम का काम करती है आर्ट। आप उसमें भी अगर उसको भी जख्म बना देंगे तो फिर कैसे चलेगा? थैंक यू।
That's how the generic seems like me. I say that only selective people, but the question is, who are you wearing?
I need to check the camera. Wow. Am I right? Yeah. Right. I'm sorry. I've just been sitting around a bit, so yeah, short term memory. But I love the stuff. But this has to possibly be the funniest.
You know what you should do when you get something like this?
जी, I think they're big shoes to fill. Mr. Mukesh Bhatt has done an incredible job as really as the president of the guild for the last 4 years, and I just hope that I can live up to the expectations that I have of myself and that the fraternity has from the guild. I think it's a happy evening tonight. You know, we've got the Mami Festival opening, we've got the Royal Opera House looking beautiful, so I'd rather keep it to Mami. I hope so, and I think so. You know, tonight is a night to celebrate the opening of Mami, so I'd rather keep any answers to that. Thank you. Thank you. She's shooting today, unfortunately. But yes, her wanted posters are all over town, I know. It's a little bit early and very speculative at this point of time, so I wouldn't like to get into that right now. क्या करूं अभी? Diplomat हूं. जी. I'm thrilled with the response. Incredible response. I mean, such genuine appreciation for the trailer. We've put, you know, blood, sweat and tears into it for the last few years, and we're so happy to see the response. You know, Kiran and Anu have done such a great job of resurrecting Mami, and Jio and Star have been incredible supports also. As a trustee of Mami, I am very, very proud that, you know, we've been able to showcase the best of cinema and, you know, give our city the festival that it deserves. She's well. She has recovered completely now. Bilkul. Thank you. Thank you. Sure.
Look at this building, it's amazing. I'm looking forward to watching lots of films, time permitting, but yeah, I mean, I just hope that lots of people come out and I mean, generally we have long lines, long queues for lots of films, which is a great sign, and that just shows that the festival is growing and needs to grow even more and get better and better every year. So, so looking forward to watching some good films. Sorry. Right. It's quite a pity actually. I was looking forward to watching that. I hope. I mean, I don't see how a film can have any effect adverse in that sense. So I mean, I appreciate art from no matter where it comes, and I was looking forward to watching that film as well. But unfortunate that we are not able to see it. I hope it gets a good release and there's and better sense prevails and everything's calm and everyone goes out and watches it, and then it does as well as it's supposed to do based on its quality, but not based on all these other political factors. No, I don't think, I mean, no, nothing like that. I don't know, because I've never endorsed anything in that sense. I mean, I've done a couple of ads which haven't released, but I haven't really endorsed anything, but I don't get your question. No, I don't think so. Well, stars get endorsements, I guess. The brand image changes, so you keep having changing images of the brand itself, and depending on that, they get different stars to endorse it at different periods of time. But I don't think it affects a star's value at all. Thank you.
मुझे बेहद खुशी है क्योंकि मेरा मानना है कि मामी फेस्टिवल एक ऐसा फेस्टिवल है जो कि हमारे लिए, हमारे मुल्क के लिए एक बहुत शान और शौकत की बात है और पिछले 3-4 सालों में इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा बेहतरी आई है। तो मैं जो लोग इसके साथ जुड़े हुए हैं उन सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देती हूँ। मुझे यहाँ रॉयल ओपेरा हाउस में आने से बहुत ज़्यादा इसलिए अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि मैं सिर्फ 4 महीने की थी जब मेरी मम्मी मुझे अपनी पीठ पर लाद कर यहाँ लाती थी, क्योंकि पृथ्वी थिएटर यहाँ हुआ करता था। तो मुझे बेहद खुशी है।
I don't want to talk about it. You ask about man. What is there to say? So many people have spoken about it. Do you really want me to say anything? Okay, let's talk. First, you don't want to ask anything about the festival. Not interested only in Mami, basically. हो गया इनॉग्रेशन। सो मैंने मामी के कई सालों से आई हैव बीन अटेंडिंग मामी। Even before I became a filmmaker, I always used to come for Mami. So it's a very special festival for me. I'm a film buff, other than being a filmmaker. So I love watching films, and I'm a big fan of the festival. And I'm very happy to support it in whatever way I can. यार यहाँ पे स्क्रीन होगी तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. You know, honestly, I know कि ये word attach हो चुका है मेरे film से superhero, but actually it's not exactly a superhero film also. It's just a film with some fantasy in it. I would prefer to describe the film as a modern day romantic fantasy, as opposed to a superhero film, because it's not really a superhero film. But yeah, it will be great if it comes to Mami. Please, we are hoping that Ae Dil Hai Mushkil releases smoothly. We are hoping everybody watches the film. It's lovely. It's been made with a lot of love. I love the film. There's nothing else to say. I'm a big supporter of the film. I understand the controversy that's happened. It's very simple. The sentiments are a bit different now than they were 1 year ago when the film was being made. And everything that has to be said about it, I think Karan and Ranbir and all have conveyed that. So for now, I feel that all of us together should just support the film and hope that it releases successfully. I mean, of course he's tensed. And of course he's, you know, I mean, everybody involved with the film is a little bit worried about how things are unfolding. But I think he's also hoping for the best and hoping that eventually there's some kind of central body that decides these things that will take the call on the situation. मुझे तो उनकी जोड़ी बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. And I think आपको कैसी लग रही है? आपको कैसी लग रही है? बोलो, कुछ तो बोलो. हाँ? मंत्र मुक्त का क्या मतलब होता है? हेलो? Spellbound, हाँ, मैं भी. In the future. See, listen, I'm not that kind of person who wants to say something very negative about all of Pakistan. I do understand the merit right now in the fact that there is some kind of discord between the two countries, and I definitely feel that the film industry has to stand with the industry on that note. So in this current climate, the answer is no. But, you know, many years from now, if the situation changes, it might be a different answer. No, I feel that, I understand that, you know, I feel like there is a certain nationalist sentiment when your country is, you know, has a discord with another country, and I don't think there's anything wrong with standing up for your country in a moment like that or taking a side. For me, it wasn't forced at all. Like you know, I feel like if someone in my family has a fight with someone, I would stand on the side of my family. I feel entirely the same way about the country. Serials ban हो गए हैं.
Konskinsky. What can I say? That's their country, it's their decision. They need to do what they need to do. You know, I think that Indian serials and Indian movies have enough of an audience in Indians and other people in the world. So that's fine. A brand moving away from a star? No, not at all. Not at all. I think that a star's value comes maybe from his movies. I don't think that brands have anything to do with it. Not for me at least, at all. Why? But why did you ask me this question? A story on? Oh, I have to come to you. Oh God. Okay.
I'm asking you easier questions.
I'm not sure. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. नहीं. फोन करूँ मैं. मिल लोगे आप यार, अभी तो फिल्म की रिलीज है. I'll go. Fun. Did you check my comments?
Hello, how are you? Well, very excited. You know, we constantly talk about film festivals in other countries, and it's great that we have something of this scale and with such wonderful films playing in our city. So I think it's absolutely brilliant, and I'm really, really happy to be here. जी 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 इसके बारे में अभी कुछ नहीं कहना चाहूँगा. कुछ नहीं कहना चाहूँगा. मामी के बारे में कुछ सवाल हैं तो पूछ लीजिए आप. हाँ जी पूछिए. हाँ तो इसलिए मैंने कहा कि उसके बारे में नहीं बात करना चाहता. उसके अलावा अगर कोई सवाल हैं तो बताइए मुझे. आपने सवाल ही ऐसा पूछा कि पलटना पड़ा. Well, I've got 3 films up for release. One is called Veeram, which is based on Macbeth. It's a trilingual Hindi, English, Malayalam. There's another film which is up for release called Dear Zindagi. And finally, I'm doing another film with Tigmanshu Dhulia, which is called Raag Desh. That should be up for release next year. So lots of work. जी. No, not necessarily. I mean, brands choose endorsers for different reasons, and you know, you have somebody who's there for 1 year, and then you have somebody else who's there for another year. So I don't think it really makes a difference. Well, I don't think you get removed. I mean, you're contractually bound for a couple of years, and once the contract's over and done with, then you move on, and the brand moves on as well. So I don't think that's something that you should take very personally. Well, that's something you'll have to ask Karan. That's something I don't have an answer for. Right. Well, you know, honestly, I wouldn't like to comment on this, simply because anything that anybody says gets sensationalized and taken out of context. So I think it's best to avoid saying anything about this at this point of time. And I think enough has been said anyway. Right. No, I'm not concerned. I'm sure the producers will, you know, do what needs to be done. Whatever is best for the film, I'm sure they will do. So I'm not concerned at all. Right, thank you.
Thank you.
अब एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर चली गई है. मैं अंदर गया हूँ, बाहर से ही इतना एक्साइटिंग है कि आई कांट वेट टू गो इनसाइड एंड सी व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन. जी मुझे लगता है कि बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है. I just hope that film industry is not the industry that has to pay the price. You know, I hope it's a pan-India thing if we decide to go with it. I feel very, very sad that the situation is such that the two countries can't, you know, collaborate anymore. It's a really sad state of affair, and I hope that things get better soon.
and both countries can come together and collaborate and things can go back to normal. जी नहीं, वो काफ़ी उनकी पिक्चर रिलीज़ पे उनके लिए काफ़ी काम बाकी है, तो अभी वो पिक्चर पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं, मगर बातचीत होगी. वही मैं जैसे भी मैंने बोला, मुझे लगता है बहुत ही दुख की बात है. आई जस्ट होप कि जल्दी सब कुछ ठीक हो जाए और दोनों कंट्री वापस एक साथ काम करना शुरू कर दें. अभी लिखाई चालू है, जब लिखाई ख़त्म होगी तो पता चलेगा कि वो कहाँ जाने वाली है. अभी इन चीज़ों के बारे में बहुत देर है बात करने की. फ़िलहाल तो ऐसा कुछ अभी कुछ लिखा नहीं है, तो अभी कुछ कह नहीं सकता. नहीं, ऐसा अभी कुछ लॉक नहीं है. जी, थैंक यू.
Hi guys. So I actually attend the festival almost every year. I just kind of go and watch films and stuff. This is the first time I'm doing the opening, but I'm currently preparing for the second sketch of Bhavesh Joshi. So whenever I get time, I'm going to go and watch some films and stuff like that. Yeah. No, it's amazing. I think it's great, you know, and the thing with Mami is it's normally in October, November. So all the films that have been at Cannes and Toronto and Venice and London, and it's kind of a combination of all of that because of the timeline. And then you get to see kind of a lot of local talent and all their films, you know, so it's amazing. Yeah.
कुछ फिल्में इस फेस्टिवल का पार्ट नहीं बन पाएंगी across the border films. You feel sad about it, like, or what's your views on it?
Yeah, can we not talk about that and focus on the films that are here? So,
ठीक है, लास्ट बात.
yeah.
बच्चों ने इनॉग्रेशन किया है, आज इसका उद्घाटन किया है इस जगह का.
Right.
और मामी फिल्म फेस्टिवल भी शुरू हो रहा है. आपने कोई प्रतिक्रिया, कुछ शब्द कहना चाहेंगे?
No, I mean, like I said, it's awesome to be here, and I'm really looking forward to the festival. And it's always good when people kind of get to celebrate cinema, and so that's good.
Ravi. हेलो. हाँ, अभी थोड़ा विजुअल ले रहे हैं हम लोग. हाँ, तो ला के देता हूँ और 5-10 मिनट थोड़ा विजुअल ले रहे हैं.
दिवाकर बैनर्जी आ रहा है, किसका
भाई लोग पैकअप कर लो, अभी बहुत टाइम हो गया, घर भी पहुंचना 1.5-2 घंटे तो लगेंगे ही। तो ले रहा है कि नहीं?
बाइट ले लिया, टिक टैक दे दिया।
मेरा मूड आज अच्छा नहीं है, इससे बात नहीं कर रहा। मेरा कुछ सुनता नहीं।
जीडी वाले ऐसे करते जी न्यूज़ के साथ।
बाजू बाजू में ऑफिस है इसलिए। अरे ले सेल्फी।
रवि 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 दो बेटियां ने, दो बेटियां।
दादा नीचे अपना दादा। ऊपर आना, इधर आना।
गलती किया मैंने, ऊपर बुला दिया। अब मैं लेफ्ट से तो पैन करेगा।